Hello, my name is Satya. I'm 19 years old, and my educational background is that I went to primary school and then I studied in a gymnasium or a high school for a year. Then I dropped out and went to a production school, which is a concept we have in Scandinavia. I haven't heard of it anywhere else, which is where you work and learn more about a specific craft that you're interested in. So the last time I studied English was when I was in high school. So that was about 2 years ago. Now I'm taking these online classes to finish up my high school and go to university. So that's why I'm having English now. And the important things in my life are my partner and art and culture and music, so I spend a lot of time in museums, galleries, concerts, and trying to develop my own art projects so I can develop myself. And also I'm very interested in history, so I spend a lot of time researching that and learning more about it, and languages as well, which is why English is very crucial to my day-to-day life, as it's the language that I use mostly when communicating online, researching for history or art or music or fashion. So English is a very big part of my life, and I hope to improve my grammar and my overall vocabulary throughout this course. So that was my presentation. I hope it was okay.